Are you trying to figure out how to download Java for your computer? This video is going to demonstrate how to download Java on a Windows PC computer. When you're using the most up-to-date Java version in the OPS Web Desktop portal, your files and downloads will work much better. One way that you can check to see if you need the newest version is to go down to the Account button at the bottom, choose System Check. The system check will check your system to see if you have Java. I see a green check mark, and that just means that I do have Java, but I don't know if I have the latest version, and it's going to work better if I have the latest version. I'm going to click on the little magnifying glass next to it, and where it says click here to install or reinstall the plugin, I'm going to select it, and it takes me into the Java website. I could also get here by doing a Google search for Java download. I can see that the latest version is version 7, update 51. I know that I have Java, but if I'm not sure if I have update 51, I can go down to the bottom, and where it says, do I have Java? When I select this, it will start to run a test on my computer. When the test comes back, it will tell me if I need to download the latest version, or if I have the current one. This one mentions a newer version of Java is available. My current one is version 7, update 45. So I need to download the newest. I'm going to select Download Java Now. I'll agree and start the free download. At the bottom, it asks me if I want to run or save it. I'm going to save this Java, or I could run it. I'm going to go ahead and run it for now. I'll push Yes to allow it to save the changes to the computer, and I'll walk through the installation. Install. In this, I uncheck where they install these additional things that I do not want added to my computer, and then I press Next, and it's going to install that latest Java version. Now, just to make sure that you understand that some computers in the district, you're maybe not allowed to download the latest version of different things, so you'll have to contact your building tech support if that happens. It mentions the programs listed are currently using Java and they need to be closed. I don't see one right here, but I'm going to go ahead and choose Close Programs and continue. It might be because I have the portal open in the background. I'm going to close out of the portal just to make sure that it can run through there. I'll log out as that Java installation is going, and I'll close the browser and I'll reopen it once the Java is updated. It now says that I've successfully installed the Java. Down at the bottom there's a check mark that says restart my browser now to complete the installation. I'm going to press close. It's going to open up my Internet Explorer again, and there's an option to verify the Java version that I have. When I click on it, it will look to see if I have the most up-to-date Java version, making sure that the installation worked correctly. There is a prompt coming from Java. I'm going to check mark that I do not want to see this prompt again, and I'm going to go ahead and run. It's safe to run, allow, say OK or yes to anything coming from Java. It says, congratulations, we have the latest version. And this will allow us to work within the OPS Web Desktop portal a little bit easier. One good clue to know that if your Java is out of date is when you go to download your files, if they're not downloading automatically and opening up into the program that you created them in. So hopefully you feel comfortable downloading Java and installing it after this video. Have a great day.